AI is getting so powerful that people are literally building apps and websites without writing much code. So today, I decided to test two of the biggest AI models on the internet, ChatGPT vs Gemini. I asked both of them to build a real website. No tutorials, no manual designing, just AI vs AI, and honestly, one of them completely shocked me. Right now, AI tools are changing coding faster than most people realize. Students are using AI for assignments, developers are using AI for coding, and some startups are literally building products with AI generated code. So I wanted to see, can these AIs actually create a professional website? Which AI does it better? I gave both AIs the exact same challenge. Build a modern AI startup landing page. The website needed a hero section, feature cards, pricing section, responsive, design. The first thing I noticed, both AIs approached the task very differently. Gemini focused more on creativity and visuals. ChatGPT focused more on structure and clean organization. And, honestly, it felt like Gemini was acting like a designer, while ChatGPT felt more like a developer. But then something happened that completely changed the experiment. While testing both AIs, ChatGPT actually started showing live previews of the website. That made the workflow feel way smoother. Instead of imagining how the website would look, I could instantly preview layouts and designs directly while generating the code. Meanwhile, Gemini focused more on ideas, structure suggestions, but ChatGPT felt more interactive during the actual building process. And that's became really important. Later, now came the real challenge, the actual coding. I asked both AIs to generate the full website code, and this part honestly felt unreal. Within seconds, they generated HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It genuinely felt like I had two AI developers working for me. But then chaos. One layout broke on mobile, one button stopped working, and one section randomly disappeared. This is the side of AI coding people don't talk about. Yes, AI is insanely fast, but debugging, that's where the real battle begins. So I pasted all the errors back into both AIs, and surprisingly ChatGPT fixed coding issues faster. But Gemini explained things more visually. That honestly shocked me. Instead of searching random tutorials, I was basically having conversations with the bugs. And that feels like the future of coding. After hours of testing, both websites were finally complete. And honestly, they looked way better than I expected. But if I had to choose, for coding workflow, previews, and debugging, ChatGPT wins. But for brainstorming ideas and creative direction, Gemini was genuinely impressive, so the real winner. Using both together, a few years ago, building websites felt difficult for beginners, but now AI can help almost anyone start creating. And honestly, that's exciting and slightly terrifying. So tell me in the comments, which AI do you think won? And what should I test next? ChatGPT vs Claude. Can AI build a mobile app? Or maybe, can AI create an entire startup? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, because this channel is slowly turning into an AI experiment laboratory.